Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain about understanding young learners, how they learn and how to teach them. Today's we have three topics. The first is about characteristic of young learners. Second, about how children learn, and the last is about dealing with different types of learners. Okay, the first topic is about characteristic of young learners. Students, especially young learners, have ac- they are very active and energetic. So they just have like a short attention span. So and the learning process is like through play and interaction. And also young learners they are they have characteristic is curious and imaginative. They are very curious to something that the first time they look. So they are can like asking to the teacher, what is that? Example, this. The student can ask, what is that? And the teacher can answer, it's correction tab. Oh, what for that thing? Is it for when you have a wrong with your writing? When you are writing, so you have wrong answer, you can correct with this tab. Oh, so after that, they can imagine, oh, the correction tab for correction your right answer. Like that. Next is about how children learn. Children learning by doing experience. Very they are like learning like is the process is like social interaction. Why? Because when they're learning interaction with their friends, they're more like that. So they can interaction, they can um, communication with other students. So and also children need repetition and reinforcement. So the learning process, children learn. Uh, they are learning by context, not explanation. So the teacher must make sure that their answer or explanation is clear. Okay. The last is about dealing with different types of learners. Here, there are four types of learners. The first is visual learners. Learners usually more they are like the learning process is use pictures or videos, and actually they are can see the materials. So second is auditory learners. This type learner is they are more like learning process by listening. Example like songs, storytellings, or another story and anything is related to listening. The auditory learners is like that um, learning ways. And the third is kinesthetic learners. Kinesthetic learners usually like the learning process is like moving and it's not just stay in their place. So they are like moved to one place to another. So the teacher can make activities for when while learning process, use games or something that can student like movement. So the teacher with sorry, I'm correct. My answer here we have three types of learners. So with these three types of learners, a teacher must be flexible and patient because students are very there are um, have unique types. So the teacher must be flexible and patient to their learning types. Okay, the conclusion from this video is young learners need because they are have a unique characteristic and very different from one type to another. So young learners need like engaging learning. So the learning should be interactive and meaningful for they are so the teacher must adapt to student needs and they must understand what they need, what what learners need for when they're in learning process. So that's all from me. Thanks for your nice attention. See you in the next video.